Hello, you guys. So, my name is Joshua Cohen. Well, we're about to go to the hand car wash soon, but today we're gonna listen to the church bells at 12 o'clock p.m. in the afternoon. But today is Sunday. We have 8 minutes. It's 7:52. Today is my 9-year-old birthday. But we gotta hurry up.
I know. We just decided last minute. Flip the camera and show me your shirt.
But look at my shirt. It says, "Time for the pre-silk." Uncle Bob gave it.
Uncle Arnold and
Uncle Arnold.
and Auntie
Uncle
Kristen.
Arnold gave it to me, and Auntie Kristen too. We're about to go to the hand car wash soon. Now we have 7 minutes. Actually, let's go to the funeral one.
St. Luke's.
Yeah, guys, let's go to St. Luke's Church.
We'll see what time it is. Where something is happening, you know?
There better not be something happening. But I don't think they might do another church bell. It's 11:53. We're gonna listen to the church bells at 12 o'clock. We're about to go to the hand car wash soon.
Because it's your birthday.
Yes. Yeah, today's my birthday today. I'm 9 years old.
Show them the tobacco and the corn.
Wow, look at the tobacco and the corn. It's 11:54. We have 6 minutes. We're going to the St. Luke's Church today. Time to go to the St. Luke's Church bells at 12 o'clock. Time to go to the St. Luke's Church bells at 12 o'clock in the afternoon. Time to go to the St. Luke's Church to the bells at 12 o'clock in the afternoon. Time to go to the church bells at 12 o'clock. Time to go to the St. Luke's Church bells at 12 o'clock in the afternoon. It's 11:55. We have 5 minutes. Let's go to the St. Luke's one.
Right. At the stop sign, do you want us to go straight or take a left?
Take it straight.
Oh, go straight?
Yeah. Sorry, but we might not able to go to the St. But we might not able to go to the clock one today.
Look at all the flags for the 4th of July this week.
Yeah. Tomorrow, it's Independence Day. Will be in 4 days.
Yep.
All right.
Oh, that flag got stuck.
Oh my God.
Oh boy.
Oh my God.
It got stuck.
That's the church bell that we're going. Unless there's something happening.
It looks pretty empty.
Time to go to the St. Luke's Church bells at 12 o'clock in the afternoon.
Yeah, it looks empty.
Oh, there's no people. Looks like we can go.
Town Square is pretty quiet today.
It's 11:56. Oh God. Cars. Alright. Alright. It's 11:56. Yep. Still 11:56. We got time. Now it's 11:57. We have 3 minutes.
I think we're good.
Yep, I think we're good. Here we are.
We have 6 minutes.
We finally made it.
Finally. Alright.
Alright, open the park.
Thanks.
Can I shut off?
Nope.
Oh, okay.
Alright.
Alright,
Not too loud.
okay. That St. Luke's church looks so. And do you see that other church bell over here? That might be pretty cool. So that's why we're gonna listen to the church bells until 12 o'clock today, anyhow. Oh my gosh. 2 minutes! It's 11:58.
We have 2 minutes.
Well, it's 12 o'clock. That bell's gonna chime in 1 minute, and that bell's gonna chime in 1 minute too. Oh boy. Almost 12 o'clock. It's Sunday today. So we're gonna be back once again. Still 11:58. We got time. It's still 11:58. It's 11:59. Oh my gosh. Man, 1 minute. Mommy, hear it! Wow. Wait. 12 o'clock! Why? 12 o'clock! It was so much fun. Yeah, talk about it's 12 o'clock right now. Oh boy. Alright, you guys, have a great day. We'll see you next time.